Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So what I'm gonna be making today is something that I've always wanted to make. I always saw it on Instagram when people were making them, and I was like, okay, I would love to make those. I've seen a lot of BuzzFeed videos that do that, and I was like, oh, okay, maybe it's high time I actually do make it. I'm gonna be following a recipe from another YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave the link down below, and also, guys, I was just curious about it, and I was like, okay, why don't I just make it for you guys as well so that you can also make it? Who doesn't love cake? Guys, I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Perfect.
Guys, this was fun too. Guys, try it out yourself. It's always good to try new things, and for me, this was a nice trial. So guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also follow me on my social media links down below, and until next time, bye.